Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync iCloud with Windows 11, quick fix step by step clearly. To sync iCloud with Windows 11, start by downloading the iCloud for Windows application. Visit the official Apple website to find the download link. Once on the download page, click the download button. After the file finishes downloading, locate it in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, launch iCloud for Windows. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, verify your identity as prompted. Once logged in, you will see a window with syncing options. Select the content you want to sync, such as photos, mail, contacts, and calendars. Click the Apply button to save your settings. Wait for the application to start syncing your selected content. To check the sync status, you can open the iCloud for Windows app at any time. If you encounter issues, ensure your Windows 11 is updated. You can also verify your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider restarting your computer. Reopen the iCloud for Windows application after the restart. If necessary, sign out and then sign back in to refresh the connection. With these steps, you should have successfully synced iCloud with your Windows 11 device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.